Alright, today I'm going to try to dispel the myth that setting up an analog tape recording tracking session does not take any longer than it would a digital working station. Now, in both these scenarios, I'm going to assume you're starting from complete scratch. I just came home from work. This is what the studio looks like normally. In the interest of time, I don't have much, time after work to do my recording, so the quicker I could get to the recording and tracking, the better. Now, if you are a digital DAW user, you're going to have to factor in, let's just say, your computer booting up time and your program booting up time, and then whatever equipment you're setting up to do the tracking today. So, trying to use that as a comparison, and we're going to time it today. Like I said, my studio is set up normally how it would be. So, let's just get started. I'm going to do start right now. Alright, so we're going to turn on the tape machine. We're going to get out the alcohol with the Q-tip Baruni. And, I clean my machine after every session, so it's not like I'm cleaning off any tape oxide or anything like that. So I don't really have to go too crazy. I'm really just cleaning the dust off of the tape pad. And dust is your #1 enemy when it comes to tape recording. And this is probably the longest process, and I'm already 80% the way done. And that's it. I don't go crazy. You don't need to. There's literally nothing on that Q-tip. A little bit of dust. I'm going to get my tape out. My tape out's over here. Now, the song I'm working on today, I'm doing some vocals, so we're going to be setting up my studio just for some basic vocal tracking. Spread the tape here. Now, I'm moving a little fast just to prove a point here. Usually, I'm a little more relaxed. I'm not in a rush. But really, I'm not going too fast here. So, I've got the tape threaded. Going to turn on my remote control here. For this song, I know it's about 23 minutes into the tape. So, I'm going to type in 23 minutes here. Go left. We're going to search to that. Why didn't it go? What's going on? Why didn't that go? Oh, pressing the wrong button. See, I'm getting nervous pressing the wrong button. Put that there. All right, let's get the microphone and the microphone stand out. In the meantime, let's warm up my tube preamp. Takes about 30 seconds. Let me turn on my console while I'm at it. Turn on my stereo bus compressor. Turn on my accessories. And get this threaded onto here. Hopefully you can see everything on camera. Just doing this all willy-nilly. Alright, that's good to go. That's good to go. Get my mic out. It's my most used mic in the studio. Boom, that's in. I need a microphone cable to connect to my preamp. The tape's already where I need it to be. Might need to rewind a little bit. Let's turn on my monitors. And there you go. I just heard the tracking tape. Let me get my... So as far as the tape portion goes, the tape machine's already ready to go, right? I would be doing the same setup here with this microphone and this windscreen if I was using a digital setup. And that's it. I'm trying to think of anything else I might need to do, and usually this microphone I put where the camera is right now, just for the sake of the video. I'm setting it up in the control room, so to speak. That's ready to go. Let me put this to the side for now. I got my microphone for... Ow! That hurt, for monitoring. Nina, I'm home. That's the end of the count. Let's go to the beginning of the song. Right there, beginning of the song. Bam. What time is that? That's 3 minutes and 45 seconds. I'm ready to record in 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Has the point been made? I think so. All right. How's my crotch look? Looking good? All right. Alright, to be fair, I forgot one little step here. Let's say we're going to record on track number 8. Press number 8 there. Set my channel strip for my preamp to channel 8. Do that. My send channel 8. I already have my compressor set up, so that makes things a little easier. Do a little vocal chain. My levels are pretty close. I need to add the high gain. There you go. Now we're getting some compression. We're getting about 0 VU on the meters. Now we're done. Okay, what was that, an extra 10 seconds? Give me a fucking break.